roadmap for ArcGIS is laid out here. I'll start with 10.4, which was released early this year, along with Pro 1.2. Next week, we will release Pro 1.3, which is a major advance in the desktop. And by the end of the year, we expect we'll be able to release most of the capabilities that I've been showing you, 10.5 and 1.4. And then there's a large agenda of where we're going. And I'd like your input this week with our people, interacting with them, telling them what you want us to do. Esri is all about serving you and serving our users around the world. We are very focused on advancing GIS and spatial science that underpins it. Giving you a report card, we are financially strong and growing. We maintain our discipline of engineering, software, strong engineering focus, and the integration of science into our technologies, and also promoting spatial literacy, and also being a great place to work for our employees. We realize our making a difference in the world through you. This is why this connection and relationship is so very important to us. Beyond building software, we work very hard on developing other materials for you to grow professionally, lifelong learning. These are books. We have over 100 publications, training, newsletters, users conferences like this, young professional networks, and also online training. Last year we did 4 major MOOCs involving over 50,000 users learning online in a massive way. We also have something called self-paced e-learning. Anybody ever take those courses? Yeah, I know, a lot of people take it. It's virtual training. So this morning I'd like to make an announcement that we've decided to make all of the hundreds of resources available free to all of our users in the online courses. Esri's partner ecosystem is rich. These are names of companies that are here exhibiting. There are big companies, partners that we work with very closely on engineering our tools to work with theirs, and there are literally hundreds of solution partners who provide services and applications that extend our basic platform. And this year, many, many young startups are getting into business, creating in a whole new creative way new applications. Esri also supports a series of special relationships. Many of you are actually here. But there are actually 5,000 NGOs, nonprofit organizations that we support, and the reason is because we can realize some of the value and difference-making of our tools by way of them. It also is a rich ecosystem for our users, building new kinds of partnerships. Partnerships in conservation, understanding and protecting nature, things I know all of you care about. Supporting green infrastructure initiatives. A special one is the Society for Conservation GIS. They work their hearts out to support the other NGOs with special kinds of activities. We're also very focused on, as an organization, education, building the next generation. And you'll meet many people here today that are members of both the higher ed and the school programs. Today we support over, it's hard for me to believe this, but we support over 10,000 institutions of higher education. And there are, I think it's something like 600 of you here which are teachers. I'd like to acknowledge all of you for doing that special work. And also thousands and thousands and thousands of classrooms. K through 12 classrooms are now empowered with ArcGIS Online and wonderful curriculum to advance learning at all levels. Let me pause for a minute and simply share a few departing points to my talk. In the opening video, we saw a quote from John Muir, which I'm very fond of. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it's hitched to everything else. It kind of speaks to me about the interconnectedness of our world. Geography, mapping, GIS have never been so important, providing the language of understanding of our world and providing a platform for creating a better future. GIS is getting smarter. I've shared my thoughts and the work that's going on to do that. It's integrating real time. It's integrating new powerful tools to create new insights. And it's extending to engage everyone. But all of this technology, all of the science that's behind it, even these wonderful new smart tools are not enough. I mean, you doing what you already do, working together, engaged and committed. You hear it? Committed. All right, you can read the rest on your own. Look, E.O. Wilson in the opening video said, we need to get on with mapping our world. He didn't just mean mapping our world, or at least I interpret it isn't just mapping our world. It's mapping a more successful, sustainable future for our planet. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you.